What if I told you that your brain has doing machine learning since the day you were born? And today I'm going to show you exactly how computers do the same thing. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving deeper into one of the most important concepts in AI, supervised learning. And I promise by the end of this video, even a 5-year-old could explain it. Remember when you were a kid and your parents taught you what a dog looked like? They pointed at the dog and said, dog. They did it again and again until you just knew that's a supervised learning. You are the teacher, the computer is a student, and the labeled examples are the lessons. Now, the important thing to understand here is label data. Label data simply means that for every input, we already know the output. Let me say that again. We know both output and input. For example, the input is an email, the output is spam or not spam. We already know the answer, and that's the label data. The input is an X-ray scan, and the output is has cancer or doesn't have cancer. Again, we already know the answer, and that's the label data. So basically, label data is like an answer sheet. The model studied that answer sheet, learned the patterns, and then goes and answer new question on its own. Let me show you exactly how this works with a real example. Your email spam filter. Engineers collected millions of emails and labeled each one spam or not spam. That's the input and output right there. The model studied all these labeled emails and noticed patterns. Spam emails usually say things like free money, you won a prize, click here now. Legitimate emails comes from known senders and actually make sense. So now when a brand new email arrives, the model checks, does this match the spam patterns I have learned? If yes, spam folder. If no, inbox. Simple as that. So supervised learning is simply teaching a machine with the label data, where we already know both the input and the output, so it can make a smart predictions on its own later. If this helped you understand supervised learning, smash that like button and subscribe KS Tech Labs because we are just getting started with AI and machine learning. So see you in the next one.